Dot 4, yeah, worldwide, it's really happening about now, yeah, I tried, yo fam, I tried, yeah, I keep trying, and now it's time to do, real talk for you, yeah, it ain't a lie, you know I tried. Every single day I provide that most high vibe. Trying to say I ain't perfect, but it's worth it. Yeah, I look at the planet and astral planes and silver surf it. Yo, trust me, I gotta let you know I love this world and it loves me. It comes back in reminiscent form. Yo, I've been born for a reason. 4, that's 4 seasons, 4 ways of thinking, 4 kings to be linking. Trust me, this ain't just like The Simpsons. This is that Homer Simpson that got off the couch, went out and told the world what the it's about. Yeah, shout from the middle of my heart, and that's the reason that I'm playing my part. You can look at my eyes, look at my flesh, look at my gold tooth, forgot, look at my teeth and say that they're in the mess. It doesn't matter whatever you address, cause I'm the spirit. Yeah, they wanna claim, yo blood, I just figured that aim, make it simple and plain, walking the plains, and I swear I feel higher than planes. I still remain, dot 4, yeah, the God blood flowing through my veins. You can feel my pain, but I get rid of the pain and bring the joy. That's a connection with heaven. So tell me my brethren what you reckon, because I ain't petting, I'm going all the way leveling what the devils was suggesting. Yeah, I couldn't say it cause of the aggression, but at the time when I start confessing, I let you know there was times in my life that I would question, but I ain't going back or regretting. Now I'm going forward cause I ain't living my life like a cretin. I split my own melon when I think too much, so I just relax, be quiet and link to us. Yeah, that is the connection of time. I'm connected to trees, the trees are connected to me. Birds and bees, I feel free. Whatever happened to caring about earth? Nowadays all we care about is money and purse. Yo, I give the worth back to my peeps. That's why I get on the beat, adapt to the streets. I was born and raised with all the criminal ways, but listen up, blood, I'm flipping the pages. DLC, yeah, I feel different today. Maybe it's because of my youth, that's why I come through fresh as a fruit. It's like mango. You don't have to watch where mango, but just know I play that strum like banjo. In fact, you about to scream bingo. DOC, I'm a star like Constellation, you Ringo. Yo, it doesn't matter, hear my voice on a single. Fresh to pop like a Pringle. Yo, blood, trust me, I mingle with crowds. Let them know that I'm wearing the crown. Put it on my head and never upset my frown. Yeah, you know the color I'm at, it's all brown. Yeah, they call it another color, but this is going out to Mother Earth. Yo, blood, there's a reason and we all got worth. I'ma say it so many times and provide with my rhyme, but listen, let me go back to doing crime, never ever die. Yo, I'm a lyrical Democrat with the lyrical coming straight through. I'm imperial. Trust man, they ain't hearing you, they ain't here for you. In fact, they getting vexed and holding up the spears to you. I'ma show them what it is, even out of the flesh. Yo, DOC, I'm smelling the life. Can you smell death? Is that up to you, blood? I'm living comfortable, and if I love you too, then I might come to you. I ain't gonna hunt you too, this is my dunny. Yo, trust me, you better show love to my sonny, cause that's the reason that stars start gleaming, the reason my heart stops screaming, the reason I'm really beaming. Yo, bring my team in, we in a legion, putting it together with no religion. Yo, trust me, blood, I take away what's freezing and bring a little warmth whenever I start to perform. I'm glad that I was cut from my mother's cords. I don't need to hold a sword. The only sword I hold is the one that came out of the stone. DOC, I got God in my bones. I'm never on my own, I'm in the zone. All you need to do is give me more than a loan, cause I ain't getting it just to be giving it back. When I get it, I'ma keep it and then bring all my kids on the track. They ain't kids, that's sacrificial goats. I just use it to rhyme, but real though. Listen, blood, I move like man of steel though. And I'm a real man. My woman never needs to know about her, and I will flow. Enemy of the state, that's Will's flow. But for me, I'm the friend of the world, so go give that message to all the boys and the girls. Still harder to rock. People champ like The Rock, you win for a shot. Sitting at the dock of the bay, what could I say? People was walking around thinking it's right to be gay. Who am I to judge or even to reminisce? Yo, it's like my sonny, I show him the fist. It's power, and if you need a father in the hour, I come through, make it sweet when it seems sour. Yo, listen, I don't judge, cause thou shalt not. But all I do is keep this hot. Yo, your gal came through to the rave. She was feeling like, oh my days, I'm about to be another slave. You know how we do every night, every other day. It's the same thing, drink a lot and then at home we laze. But she didn't figure that I was stepping on the stage. She never questioned the fact she would see the brave hearted step on the microphone regardless, hold it to my lips and then started shooting like a target was in my premises. She couldn't question this. I said, sis. She said, I'm thankful that I exist. My son showed me the fist while I was rapping. She said, yo, you know what, Capricorn, that's the captain, captivating the situation with the captives, looking back like this is more than some rap. Yeah, blood, this is the black-ish floating over the ocean. Something like, oh, my mood, you can't spoil. The apple don't get crumbled. Yo, listen, I wouldn't even stumble. Your words, I don't mumble. I bring it to the concrete jungle. It's like Bob. Yo, they see me, I'm uneven, quite odd. Yo, but listen up, I'm always doing my job. It could be yours, but I'm calling my God. That's the Most High, straight in the heavens. The Most High we love, so we never settling. How could you tell me that I should watch the clock when I'm watching the sun, the moon and the stars? Doc, yo blood, stand up, put your hands up, pull your mans and tell them we getting them grands. What, you really want money? Then there ain't nothing funny. All you gotta do is not look ugly. And all things bright and beautiful, so feel beautiful. It's more than musical. It's your duty on universal shores to applause every time that I step on the stage. It's Doc 4. Yo, my little Johnny, you watching him going to sleep because I'm rhyming and blood I flow in the beat like a boat flowing the sea. Trust me, I'm in the wave and you're feeling wavy. I've been the same ever since being a baby. Wanna know the statement? Fact, born in the 80s when the world was shaky. Just after the war, pause, DOC, that's Doc 4. Need an applause. Yo, blood, I swear I need more than a tour, but I ain't gonna get into that. As long as I get what I need, then I proceed to run good deeds and do something good for my seeds. Formation like geese. At ease, listen up, DOC, I'm all about peace. Doesn't matter how far you are, you're in my reach. Doesn't matter who you think you are, this is deep. Deep incision, escape brothers out of prison. They get out with more Julius Caesar ambition. Rising up to the top of the ladder. Jacob, blood, it ain't about no time. Jacob, that's some fake. Yo, I'ma keep that away. Listen up, every single night and day I pray. And in between the time I'm aligned with the sunshine and letting you know my son's fine in my confine. I still connect to the outside. What would man be like without pride? Probably the greatest. So why would you hate this? I could be your best neighbor that's always doing me favors. And even when you borrowed my lawnmower, I never gave it back. I still gave you that. Yo, it's all love from above. DOC, yo, tell Noah that I'm coming back with the dove. A man I got the shrub. I ain't trying to show this world how I am a fuck. Ain't about that. It ain't about rap. It's all about the life we live. Let's get into. Cause peace can come in a second. But people keep holding and making them weapons. I could take life to a point of perfection if I just grant you the blessing. And trust me, you wouldn't even question. I can give it all to you now, but you probably don't want it. Or they'll take it away, blood. I don't want it to happen in this way. But that's the way it is. It started raining and I was holding my child. Feeling like, yo, this is the life I was supposed to live. Give thanks and the praises. Sonny's sleeping, it's amazing.